Suzuki first launched the S-Cross in 2013 as what was then the brand's largest SUV, or crossover, slightly overshadowing the long-established Vitara. Now we have an all-new version, arriving in showrooms at the start of 2022. The new car is described as following Suzuki's all-hybrid mantra, though it's only a mild hybrid, the full petrol-electric version not coming until later. Suzuki is selling the all-new S-Cross on its new and bolder styling, a spacious interior, simplified grade structure, and the addition of hybrid technology to its powertrains. We are also told that the safety specification has been upgraded. There is plenty of passive and active technology, no matter which version you buy. Autonomous braking, blind spot monitors, a rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and adaptive cruise control come fitted to all versions, along with plenty of airbags. The new S-Cross comes with a completely revised exterior, and this is one of the definite improvements. Certainly the new look, with distinct body creases and angles and a strong V-grille, is far more modern than the overly curvy and definitely overchrome visuals of the outgoing model. The wheel arches are bigger and again distinctly more angular, while the slimline headlamps, each with 3 LEDs, help present a much more up-to-date appearance which compares well with rivals. The strong horizontal line formed by the rear lighting merging into the styling bar also adds to the assertive look. On the launch event, the only models available were to Ultra specification, so all-wheel drive, though we did get to drive with both manual and auto gearboxes. First impressions on the road is that there is no shortage of get-up and go boosted by its mild hybrid assistance. The petrol engine pulls enthusiastically from around 2,000 RPM, but still feels refined. Officially, the all-wheel drive car claims 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just over 10 seconds, whether in manual or auto form, which is highly competitive with equivalent rivals. There are no major changes to the interior space of the S-Cross, which is adequate for the class, though if you are tall and traveling in the back you might feel a little lacking in headroom, especially close to that big sunroof in Ultra versions. No complaints about the boot, though 430 liters is not bad when compared to rivals. What Suzuki can't match its rivals in, however, is interior quality. It doesn't feel horrendously cheap, But it's not that plush either, certainly suggesting that you are driving something in the lower half of the market. Ride comfort is generally good, with bumps smoothed out adequately right up to motorway speeds. But this car's driving experience is so innocuous as to be dull. The combination of soft suspension and over light steering makes for a lack of feedback when cornering.